It's a blizzard of 2010, and as you can see, there's a lot more snow than there was earlier. In fact, I just built that igloo right there. There's the bucket I used. Came in about 10 minutes ago. There was no snow there, and well, now there is. Before there was maybe about 2 inches of snow because I dug around to make a pathway around the igloo, and now it's filling up. Snow's coming down pretty fast, and I don't know, there's not much to do in this kind of snow because you can't sled, it's too thick, and building an igloo took way too long, and it was freezing cold, so I don't know, might be staying inside.